my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm dipping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on? It's your boy, Elishera 254, man. Tuning to another one. Trying to see how. All right, see, there you go. She adjusting. What's going on? It's your boy, Elishera 254, man. Tuning in for another one. Know what we up to? Out here getting it in. Got to run an errand this morning. Shout out to my boy Willie. He is a new proud owner of some Landau rocker trim. You know what I'm saying? See, check out my box work. You know what I'm saying? I had to take the shit out this box. Boy, I had to make this. I had to make some shit shake with this box. But yeah, it's in there. It's sturdy. It ain't rocking around me, and it ain't gonna get bent. So he got that coming his way. Rocker panels. Tudo gang over everything. You know what I'm talking about? We got love for all the boxes, but you know you gotta represent what you got. So let's get this pack mailed off, and then we'll bring you back. What else? Still waiting on somebody to bite on this aluminum block. We had one guy, but he couldn't find some pieces and shit or whatever. So yeah, that shit. So I think when I get back, what we're gonna do is I don't know what we're gonna do today. We'll figure it out when we get back. So go to the post office, get this shit off, and then we gone. So gonna hit it. Oh. A lot of people get it twisted and confused. I am Elishera 254. That is my Chevy. It don't mean that's the only thing I drive or will drive. But my heart is with them Chevys, you dig? Alright, slide this in the bag. I need to get my truck cleaned out today too. Shit everywhere, see? Shit back in there from all the car shows and all this shit, so. Nice little overcast day today, man, so hopefully we can get some shit done. Yeah. So as you know, man, this past Friday, man, was our last. I'm gonna turn the music down. As you know, this past Friday, man, was our last day working out at the job, aka the plantation. We are now working at Riley's. You know what I'm saying? Slanging car parts, helping people with, you know, they either daily driver or you know they project cars. So real glad to be on team over there, man, and making stuff happen. So one of the customers that came in, we were talking and he was saying something about the Pedal Commander. I know Pedal Commander has checked out our videos like a while back, so maybe, you know what I'm saying, if Pedal Commander would like to, they can send us out a unit for the truck. Of course, y'all know we got 2017 Ram 1500, man. Would definitely love to check out, you know, the difference that it makes. Because I've heard a lot of great things about it, but I'm one of them people that I'm swayed, but I'm not swayed. Like I'm a hands-on type of person, man. So Pedal Commander, I'll definitely be reaching out to y'all, and hopefully we can work something out, and then that way I can review that, you know, for the channel and you know for other people. So yeah, man. Let's get on up here to the post office. All right, so also I picked up some stuff, man. I think I got the wrong fuse holder, man. What I was gonna do with this fuse holder, man, as you know, for the neon lights on the bike, this was a fuse holder that broke. It don't hold no more. So instead of going with a tube fuse, we're gonna replace that and go with just an inline fuse holder. but I believe it's the wrong size. I could be wrong, just could be looking at it wrong. Hold on, let me open up and see. I have more of the bigger fuses than I do the smaller fuses, so that's why I want to go ahead and grab that. But now that I got the Harbor Freight plug, which is everybody's plug, and now I got the O'Reilly's plug, it shouldn't be no issue. So this is exactly what we need. We're gonna get this hooked up. What I discovered here, man, not only was it like I started stripping back this wire here, and then to see it was another break in it that is connected right here. So it's go to show you, man, when you buy something from somebody or somebody else is working on somebody else's stuff, you never know exactly what's going on. So we're gonna put some solder. We're gonna get that connection soldered and heat shrinked, and then get the fuse, inline fuse put in there. Actually, we could probably eliminate this extra part right there if we just strip that back, because there is a good amount of wire on there, so we could probably go from here. We could go straight to the battery and then solder that in on there. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Just kind of simplify it. All right, turn it back on when we done with that. All right, so we back. As you can see, we have everything fused in there. I couldn't find my heat shrink, so we got it soldered and everything. I left this side open to, you know, show you that we did do the soldering. I'll tape up both ends and then go from there. From there, we pretty much just got to the battery was dead in this thing, man. I think the brand of these batteries, man, they just cheap. Forgot where I bought them from, but they cheap. So we'll have to get another set of batteries. Maybe I can find these at the job or something in a better brand that's not gonna die, hell, every 5 days or something. So let me get this all put together, get the battery put back in the remote, and then I'll turn on the lights. Yeah, light show. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSRod254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. LSRod254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so got the fuse in there, got the cap on. I'm gonna step over here, turn the lights off. Oh shit, all the lights not gonna go off. Hold on. We'll do it like this. We won't cut them all off. We'll just cut off the ones up here so you can see it. Yeah, now we just hit the remote. See all the lights. See it light up like a Christmas tree. Looking good, looking great. Do a flashing thing. Yeah, that's one less thing your boy don't gotta worry about. It's lit. Alright, man, but appreciate y'all tuning in. I guess we're gonna wrap this one up, and then we're gonna get on to something else and being productive today. So, it's your boy Ellis Sherrod 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.